Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign. This is mid-month reading July. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past, Leo. So Leo fire sign, your recent past. Four of Swords, Knight of Wands, the Emperor. Oh. I think in past there is some moment in your love life because I think you or your person may be at resting stage, thinking stage in past, but from resting stage it is developing into Knight of Wands. Definitely there is some moment in your love life because one person is want to commit to in this connection because the Emperor is a committed man, he is a good man, definitely trustworthy. Definitely your person is changed into Knight of Wands to Emperor also for some. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Leo. What is going on your connection right now? Seven of Cups. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or water signs, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Two of Swords. Three of Pentacles. Still one person in this connection is not making any decision because Two of Swords blindfolded because he is at some, your person or you could be at some crossroads because one person have option in their life or one person is fantasizing about you a lot but here Three of Pentacles, definitely you both have to work on this relationship to take this relationship to next level. I think you both already known each other, you both could be colleagues also. So I think one person is seeing their options to choose you or there for some your person is fantasizing about you a lot. Definitely they will make decision in near future. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Consciousness. Nine of Pentacles. Consciousness means Ace of Swords. Experiencing. Three of Wands. I think your person is waiting to take action. They are seeing for the right moment to take actions towards you. Right now they are busy. Their financial Nine of Pentacles. Definitely they are getting consciousness about this connection. Definitely they are waiting to take action towards you, but it is waiting card. Definitely you have to wait. So let's see some more cards from universe for final message. Definitely they have to make decision as early as possible. Ordinariness, Eight of Pentacles. Compromise, Six of Pentacles. Definitely your person want to compromise with you. Compromise with Six of Pentacles. They want to give equal give and take this connection right now. I think they will choose you. Control. Yes, there are some controlling issues. This is King of Swords. Last card for this reading is Thunderblood, Tower moment. Yes, after the Tower moment he realized your worth. Definitely he want to compromise with you and want to offer equal give and take to this connection. Definitely in this time they want to work hard to this relationship. So this will take time because right now your person is at some crossroads. Definitely he will make more towards you, but there are some controlling issues. Definitely they will compromise. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.